This text is told from the point of view of Mara.
Juggle. Okay. Juggle. No.
Wand.
Yeah.
Wand.
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 Wand. How on this
Stick.
stick. Then stick. A magic wand.
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 Wand. Wand.
Wand.
Jogger.
Chugger.
Jogger.
Chug.
Jogger.
Chug. Someone who runs for
Exercise.
exercise. Joggers out for their morning
Exercise.
exercise.
Jogger.
Jogger. Exercise. Exercise.
Jogger.
Jogger.
Okay, spell.
Jogger. Jogger.
Okay. Jogger. Okay. Mara.
Jogger. I need for good. A good workout is a sidewalk. My everyday joggers
Jobs.
makes like takes me into the
Fresh.
fresh air all over town.
Pleasant.
Pleasant
The things make people feel pleasant. Pleasant. Surprises.
surprises great me on every note.
Route.
Route. Route. Route. Route. Route.
A way to get from one place to another place.
Okay.
We didn't know what route to take.
Route.
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 Can spell.
R-O-U-T route.
One more time.
R-O-U-T route. Out.
Can you spell?
R-O-U-T-E route. Now.
Okay.
Route. Path.
Okay. Route. You see, from this place to that place, that's a route. Okay. Pleasant surprises greet me on every
route. I take new twists, turning and turns and hills, even a rainstorm that I didn't expect. Tools, cools me off and feels great.
Okay.
This text is tough from the point of view of
Junior.
Julie, who
Exercises.
exercises at a gym.
Jogging. I need a. What's that?
Route.
Yeah, route 9.
Route. Route.
Either way, okay. Route. I think in Massachusetts people
Route.
people always say route.
Route. Route.
Route 2, route 9. Let me say route. I don't jogging. I think jogging. Anyway, jogging
on the
machine
machine at the gym is the best workout.
Okay, jogging on a machine. Like,
It's the most
okay.
I can read, record the distance I go, now how fast my heart beats, and how much energy I burn.
Good.
There are no changes in weather, and I can go uphill at the push of the button.
Okay.
I can focus on my exercise.
Good.
Goes about without surprises.
Okay. No, don't do that.
Don't do that. Listen. How is
Junior's
point of view different from
Mara's?
Julie makes jogging sounds less relaxing and more serious.
Junior
explains why it's better to jog in natural surroundings.
Good.
Julia explains why machines make jogging more difficult. Julie describes things that may go wrong when you jog outside.
Okay, so which one?
Julie makes jogging sound less relaxing and more serious.
Okay, that's your choice?
Yes.
Okay.
Summit.
Okay. Okay, good. Okay, let's do this one.
The following text both describe someone returning lost money.
Okay, it's lost. Okay, not lost. Okay. What's this?
Lost.
What's that?
Lost
Okay. Okay.
Lost.
Last.
Lost.
What's the opposite of last?
Last and
First.
first.
Okay, last one. Okay.
Lost.
You lost some money. Okay, lost some money. Okay, the following text both describe someone returning lost
money. This text is from the point of view of
Jessica.
Jessica, a woman whose lost
Purse. Okay, purse. Okay. Yeah, that's purse. You see, people put money and other things in it. That's a purse. Okay. What's that?
jog.
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 Don't do that.
Purse.
Pass.
Purse.
Pass.
Purse.
Pass.
Okay, can spell.
P-U-R-S-E. Pass. Now, a small bag of money for money. A small bag for money.
Okay. That's a purse. Okay. Okay. A woman who's lost the purse
Was
returned.
Returned a woman whose lost purse was returned.
Okay.
I was away
Awfully.
awfully.
Awfully. Okay. Feel good. Awfully. What's that?
A small bag for money.
What's that?
Pass.
Purse.
Pass.
Purse.
Pass.
Purse.
Pass.
Purse.
Pass.
Wallet. Okay, wallet like this. I don't have it. Okay.
Bag. Wallet. Purse.
Purse.
Pass.
Purse.
Pass.
Purse.
Pass.
Awfully.
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 Okay. Extremely. Very.
Extremely. Very. An awfully long time.
Awfully.
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 Okay, can spell.
A-F-U-L-L. Awfully.
One more time.
A-W-F-U-L-L-Y. Awfully.
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 Okay.
Very. Extremely.
Okay.
I am awfully sorry.
Okay. Okay.
I was awfully surprised that my lost purse was mailed to me with all of my money
Steal.
still inside.
Okay. I think we can stop here.